How to fix Instagram app not working on iPhone. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can fix Instagram app not working on iPhone. So there are several ways which you can follow in order to fix this problem. So the first one is checking your internet connection. You need to have a very strong internet connection to sometimes load the Instagram app. If you do have a strong internet connection, but if the problem still maintains, then you have to come to the App Store and search for Instagram. And once you search on Instagram, now you have to check that you have installed the latest update. Right now it's written open. It means that I have installed the latest update, but if it's not installed the latest update, there'll be written update over here. So just click on update, make sure your app is updated, and after that try opening your Instagram app. But if the problem still maintains, then you have to check your iOS software. Make sure that your iOS is up to date, and sometimes the issue is due to the iOS software. Right now I do have a pending update. If you are having any pending update, just click on install now, and after that try opening your Instagram app and your problem will be resolved. But if not, if the problem still maintains, that I have another solution for you. What you have to do is come to general, and after coming to general, scroll down and click on shutdown. In other words, you need to restart your iPhone. Once you restart your iPhone, wait for 5 to 10 seconds and try opening your Instagram app, and hopefully the problem will be resolved. But if the problem is still there, then come back to general, and here scroll down until you find the option transfer or reset iPhone. After clicking on that, click on this reset button, and here click on reset all settings. And after resetting all settings, go back to your Instagram app, try loading it, and the issue will be resolved. But if the issue still remains there, so go back to your settings, open general, scroll down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset again, and then this time click on reset network settings. Once you reset your network settings, hopefully your issue will be resolved. And still not, then you can just go and search for help on support.apple.com, or you can even go to your nearest iPhone authorized the dealer. So these are some of the ways in which you can fix your Instagram app not working on iPhone issue. If you have any questions, ask in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.